Hello everyone, in this session we are going to learn about how to set the dimension style manager. Creating a new dimension style. We highly recommend creating new dimension styles based on our default styles, which will prevent potential scaling issues. Follow the steps to create a new dimension style. Create a new dimension style based on our default style. Okay, we will see how to set dimension style manager. On command bar, type dimension style, enter. Dimension style manager will open. Here if you want to create new dimension style, then click on new, and if you want to modify on existing dimension style manager, then click on modify. Okay, here we can see we can change here specifications of lines, symbols and arrows, text, feet, primer units, alternate units, tolerances. First we will change specifications of lines. Dimension lines. Color. From here you can change the color of line. I will keep this as by block. Line type. Click on this drop down. From here you can change the line type. Line width. Same. Baseline spacing also you can change. Extension lines. These are specifications of extension lines. Click on their drop downs and change which type of color or line type or line weight do you want. Okay, after doing changes, click on OK. Now we will see the symbols and arrows. Here we can see the preview. From here you can change the arrows. These are closed field arrows. You can change to this only closed blank or only closed. See, if I choose the closed blank, then arrow style is changed here. Okay, I will keep this as closed field. From here you can change the arrow size. If you are change this, see here the arrow size is changed, right? Okay, break size also can be changed from here. Okay, now we will see the text. Here text style, annotative and standard. I will keep this as standard. Text color. From here you can change the color. Here you can see text placement. This is above the dimension line. If I click on below, see the dimension. The text is below the dimension line. Okay. If I click this as center, see the text is at center. Okay. Now fit. If you want to change the fits, here you can see beside the dimension line, over dimension line with leader. Okay, I will keep this as either text or arrows, and here beside the dimension line. Okay, next is primary lines. Primary units. This is, we keep this as decimal. Okay. Alternate units. We don't use alternate units. Next is tolerances. Here we don't have any tolerance. If you want to add tolerances, then select from here the type, symmetrical or deviational or limits. Okay, all the changes I've done, then click on OK. Set current, close. Okay, this is how we can set the dimension style manager.